Hey guys, lesson 25 is going to be about compound personal pronouns. So a compound personal pronoun ends in either self or selves, depending if it is singular or plural. And it usually shows that the subject of the sentence is doing something back to itself. So I dressed myself in blue. The compound personal pronoun is myself. And she made the dinner herself. The compound personal pronoun is herself. In this case, myself refers back to the subject, The noun that a pronoun replaces is called the antecedent. So that is the noun that the pronoun replaces. So in our sentence, Kieran bought himself a book about the history of human flight. Our compound personal pronoun is himself. It refers back to the subject of the sentence, which is Kieran. Kieran, in this case, is our antecedent.